So the big question is this: how do investors like us who trade options and manage our own money generate income regardless of where the stock market goes, and do it all in a way that lets us make time for the people and things we love, and yet still build wealth and remain profitable? That's the question, and this podcast will give you the answer. I'm your host, Kirk Duplessis, and you're listening to the Daily Call from Option Alpha. Hey everyone, this is Kirk here again from Option Alpha, and welcome back to the Daily Call. Today we're going to answer the question, can you trade options on Robinhood? So if you're not familiar, Robinhood is a fairly new brokerage that came out that has zero commission fees. And they recently launched, and one of their public announcements was actually on one of our podcasts, as I interviewed one of the co-founders, Beiju, on the podcast just a couple months ago, that they allow people now to trade options commission-free on their platform. So to answer the question broadly, can you trade options on Robinhood? Yes. Is it easy to trade options on Robinhood? Yes, it is easy to get into single contracts, but it's probably not so easy to create very high probability spreads and high probability rolling situations. I find that the complex type orders on Robinhood to be much more confusing, very less intuitive, at least right now at the time that we're doing this podcast. So although you get a platform for free and commission free, I feel that in many respects, you could be losing out sometimes on the lack of technology and the lack of insight and analytics for the particular option contracts that you're trading. So what you might feel like you're saving in commissions, you might lose in slippage or lost opportunity by using the wrong option strategy at the wrong time, or not having the ability to quickly hedge and roll positions inside the app or platform. So I think it's a work in progress. I think it's something that is very interesting. As I've said before, I think all brokers eventually will be zero commission. So I think it'll ultimately come down to who has the best technology stack, who offers the best tools for zero commission, right? As this race to the bottom continues in the industry. But right now you can trade options on Robinhood. I don't think the best platform for complex trading and for high probability trading, but it at least gets the job done. So hopefully this helps out. As always, if you have any questions, let me know. And until next time, happy trading. Thanks for joining us on the Daily Call. Be sure to subscribe right now for more daily options trading ideas, strategies, and tactics to help you learn how to place smarter, more profitable trades. And if you like what we're doing, don't forget to give us a rating and a review so we can continue to bring you the best daily content possible. We'll see you again tomorrow, right here on the Daily Call from OptionAlpha.com.